sunshine within.
Exactly.
You want to hear a quote from my cousin? Well, it's sure. It's not my Oh no!
Steven, you get a 4.5.
What?
Out of 5.
Oh,
Out of 5.
That's not
I don't know.
very
You
nice.
can't give people a 5. You can't give people a full 5.
Well, then we're asking for 10s.
Oh.
We gotta trade off. Yeah, we gotta have a trade. Yeah.
How you doing? Yeah, fine.
Guest is at 16 months from what I remember. We have Ava, how do I say it? Shoemates. All right, we have Ava right over here. This baby has more names than some of you, and she's blowing kisses. Come up here, Ava. We're gonna get you an award. You can bring your mom if you want to. I guess they paid for these cruises, huh? Yeah, that's all right. No school just yet for Ava. Gotta get those days in. And did I meet you guys when? No, it was just, I've met Ava before, yes, on another cruise. Come on over here, guys. Yes, give them a nice round of applause, everybody. We have this lovely plaque for you. I know that's not very exciting for you because you're so little, but you know, you can stare at it one day. Are you here? Henry, are you in the room? Oh, Henry's right over there. Hello, Henry. You feel comfortable coming up, or you just want us to come down later and take a picture with you? You want to? He's gonna come up. All right. So can I tell him how old you are? How young you are, Henry? He's 92, going on 93. Give it up for Henry, everyone.
Ships. In our board, you'll see we are all sharing in this thing. I think it's unique.
What is family? Well, for us, it's you. From Carnival's maiden voyage and onward, our foundation for fun has never changed. You make Carnival. We are who we are because of you. Because anyone can cruise, but not everyone can turn a vacation into a memory. So we want to send out a big thank you. So thanks for early morning walks and late night cuddles, for bringing aboard the laughs, the moments, and some really impressive splashes. And for making Carnival Cruise Line the most popular cruise line in the world. Our little family seems to be growing every day. And we couldn't be happier to share it all with you, our most loyal.
ladies a question, guys, you're gonna try to think what she's gonna put down, okay? And then also the other way around. So we'll take it one question at a time. It's very simple. All right. To our, of course, incredible lounge. I know it's our last night here. Everybody sounds sad. Aww. I know, but listen, we'll just book another cruise. You'll be okay. Something to look forward to next time. But we're gonna have some fun this evening with our incredible show. This is our Back to the 50s, our Crew Connection show. Your incredible guests have worked super hard, of course, to help make this a success. So just like Seize the Mic, our guests can be...
11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join in, hun. We'll have some fun till the clock strikes one. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock.
They're gonna go one at a time, and they're gonna give us their best Elvis impression. The best Elvis impression is gonna be winning a prize, so get ready. Let's hear it for Elvis number 1.